Road surveyors in Mahipalpur play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of the road infrastructure in the area. Mahipalpur, located in Delhi, is a rapidly growing locality with a high population density and heavy vehicular traffic. As a result, the need for efficient road design and maintenance is paramount. Road surveyors are responsible for conducting surveys to gather data on the existing road conditions, traffic flow, and other relevant factors. This data is then used to design and plan road improvement projects, ensuring smooth and safe transportation for the residents and commuters of Mahipalpur. The process of road surveying involves various techniques and tools to accurately collect and analyze data. Surveyors use equipment such as total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanners to measure distances, angles, and elevations. They also conduct traffic studies to determine the volume and patterns of vehicles on the roads. By gathering this information, road surveyors can identify areas that require repair or expansion, as well as areas where traffic management measures may be necessary. In Mahipalpur, road surveyors are particularly important due to the constant development and expansion of the area. With new residential and commercial projects being undertaken regularly, it is crucial to ensure that the road infrastructure keeps up with the growing demands. Road surveyors in Mahipalpur work closely with engineers, architects, and urban planners to design road networks that are efficient, safe, and sustainable. They take into consideration factors such as traffic flow, pedestrian safety, drainage systems, and environmental impact while designing roads that meet the needs of the community. Road surveyors in Mahipalpur are essential to the construction and upkeep of the local road network. Mahipalpur, a neighborhood in Delhi, is a quickly expanding area with a high population density and significant vehicular traffic. Therefore, it is essential to plan and maintain roads effectively. Road surveyors are in charge of carrying out surveys to collect information about the current state of the roads, traffic patterns, and other pertinent aspects. This information is then utilized to create and plan road improvement projects, ensuring a smooth and secure mode of transportation for Mahipalpur citizens and commuters. To effectively gather and analyze data, the road surveying procedure uses a variety of equipment and techniques. The tools used by surveyors to measure distances, angles, and elevations include total stations, GPS receivers, and laser scanners. To determine the number and movement patterns of vehicles on the roads, they also undertake traffic studies. By compiling this data, road surveyors can pinpoint places that need renovation or growth as well as those where traffic control strategies may be required. Due to the region's ongoing development,